Thanks for logging in to the Mr. Show. It's a packed show today.
Your husband beside you. Tell him to answer him phone for me now, please. Lady, no ask who is me.
All kind of things. Listen.
Me say chatter open up again, chatter and the boy they stamp me same way. And me have to look and me have to open my eye and say me can't manage more. We finish now.
Let's get it going.
Yo, how many y'all in there?
It's the Mr. Show.
China and Africa, right? That's it. You have to show me all of that for. Come here and try to show yourself. Come here and try to send you up on your mother.
On a taxi, a madman see me and start run towards me with a knife. So me run.
All right, let's go.
On a taxi, a madman see me and start run towards me with a knife. So me run.
Okay.
When me run him take out a slingshot, take up a stone off of the ground and shot me in my back.
Oh, so you get a back shot. Okay. Then what happened after that?
No, squad it. Alright, hear me again.
Me I hear you, man. Me I hear you. My ears are work.
The man a run me down on a taxi. A madman see me and start run towards me with a knife. So me run.
Okay, I won't stop it again, yo. One.
Okay.
When me run him take out a slingshot, take up a stone off of the ground and shot me in my back.
Oh, so you get a back shot. Okay. Then what happened after that?
No, squad it. Alright, hear me again.
Me I hear you, man. Me I hear you. My ears are work.
The man a run me down with the knife.
Yeah.
Him pull out a slingshot.
Yeah.
Take up a stone off of the ground.
Yeah.
Put in the slingshot.
Yeah.
And shot me in my back while I'm running.
So now that me I write down, man, say you get a back shot. That me right, you know.
Yo, Squaddy, you make the thing. You make the thing look away, Squaddy.
How me I make the thing look away?
Yeah, dog, you make the thing look free.
How me I make the thing look freaky? How will you tell me I write down, you know?
I tell you, say, it's a slingshot.
Alright, so me ask you a question. How where the man do?
Man shot me.
And how where him shot you?
In my back.
So when you put that together, where you get?
Shot back.
What?
you get shot back. When you put it together, you get shot back.
No, brother. No. I know so it go. If you go in front of the judge I tell you say a back shot you get.
Charge, that me I try show you no officer, you make it look like a Badman bend over.
Hey yo, you take it to a place where me nah go there with you, you know. So here one, me I go call it in and make them tell you what to do. And that me I do, cause me nah go there with you. Wherever you go, me nah go there. Me just call it in.
No, me nobody want your help, officer. Me did it myself.
Officer reporting.
Yeah.
So me nobody want your help.
Me I report.
The man said, nah. Good. Him no wanna help. Yo.
Well, assault in the RF3 area, you know. A man come to me and tell me say a man run him down and give him a back shot.
Blood clot.
Alright, copy that. Yo, me I forgot to take care of the nearest hospital, you know. Report in.
So me nobody want your
Me
help.
I report well assault in the RF3 area, you know. A man come to me and tell me say a man run him down and give him a back shot.
Blood clot.
Alright, copy that. Yo, me I forgot to take care of the nearest hospital, you know. Make them check your vitals if you have no STD.
He needs some milk.
Yo. Shout out to my editor, Snakey. All right. Now, the name of this video is Badman She Love. Badman She Love. Badman She Love.
Okay, that girl the body round here, man. No, me I need that girl. Pretty girl, what go on? Where deal it?
Watch out.
No, master, where you go with that there? A gangster me want in my life. So you go look me up, you go and come back.
How the bumbo clot you talk? You big idiot, girl. How we are deal?
Yo, girl said a Badman She Love. Badman She Love.
No, me I need that girl. Pretty girl, what go on? Where deal it?
No, master, where you go with that there? A gangster me want in my life. So you go look me up, you go and come back.
How the bumbo clot you talk? You big idiot, girl. How we are deal? Come on, tell you put stuff on. I be a sting you. You're raw right now, raw. Come on, tell you. See me, have you? No man, the blood clot look you and me done with you. The whole of the shape, yeah. Every 3 months, my braid, yeah. I want to treat her like a black Jew. I want to, as a matter of fact, yo, put a number in my bumbo clot for. Bumbo clot, and when we left, so we have got the movies, and you pay for every blood clot thing. When we left the movies, we have got we yard, and before you clean the whole of my gun them. My Glock, my 9, my M16, everything. As a matter of fact, roll out. Badman, you want Badman, you go get. I don't old man like we all are married to. What?
Perfect.
The secret to myself, I've been scared to let you know, let you know, let you know. Oh, just what to do.
You lose. Perfect.
Hello? Yo.
After Badman she love, I like it, I like it, I like it.
Perfect.
The secret to myself, I've been scared to let you know, let you know, let you know. Oh, just what to do.
Oh gosh.
You lose. Perfect.
Hello? Your husband there beside you?
Oh God, now this one there made you out of control. Ladies. Ladies. Why would you do this, yo?
Tell him to answer him phone for me now, please. Lady, no ask who is me. A hour man, 2 hour, 2 hour man. Lady.
Oh gosh.
Your husband point out clear so me can't have no other man but him. So tell him to answer him phone for me, please. Because me I call him phone and him not answer me. Lady, too early. Lady, a our man. Because me can't have no more man, so it's our man. So here one now. Tell him to answer the phone for me, please, because the rent and the bills them due.
Wow. What would you do, ladies?
Good man, you have to take and stop jump for brasses. I'm tired of it.
See, look at that. Now women are talking to their thing like how man and man talks for them thing, you know? No, it don't go that way, the girlfriend, but whatever.
When the boy have me pan the back as I see the boy whole and pan the half pound. I'm a
Alright. The 1 pound of batty jar story.
see about 1 pound my body jar then we no cause they no big enough. And the boy grip it to blood clot. Me say, yes! I saw you. Your mother did push out a good blood clot son out her hole.
Comment investigator. You catch the one day?
Me see the boy just grab up my 2 body peg them so me say, yeah man, and the boy a stamp me on the back and me don't know why they not take off back for blood clot smack. Them time me really feel a rod of correction. The boy correct the hole. Say, yasso, correct it, shift it. Right there so I want it, mama. And the boy say, I be cock up that foot here. I say, chat, when I cock up that foot here, I feel like I don't have no pussy after ass. I feel like I don't have no pussy. Boy just a stamp me so. I run, me da for run. Me serious. Me da for run, mama. Me say me run, go up in the bed corner. Me say the boy come up the back and just rub me little bit so chat. You can't believe say me open up again. They say me wicked to myself. Me say chat open up again, chat, and the boy they stamp me same way. And me have to look and me have to open my eye and say me can't manage more. Me finish now. Me finish, please. And next time.
One time I me all could lock in now.
She said she take a walk and the hole couldn't lock. She took a work and the hole couldn't close up back.
Guys, me say could close. I done a blood clot public. Yo, me say the way I'm frightened. And I was scared. Me say I'm frightened. And when me done is you can't look up in the same way. What could have caused that? Me get up fast and run go down. Bro, I'm not lying. It's true. It's true. Y'all, I say y'all are kids in the comments, so you don't know. If you and a making love right now, and as soon as he pull out, it doesn't just close back up just so you still can't look in that hole. Guys, I lie me, I tell you still can't see in there.
Me a woman and me know say front feel good. Why man can't know say front? How the f*** you fi go in a one bank in a teeth to enjoy that? All if me a one man trans, and me and him there, and me go find out, me a bumbuck lad, cause you supposed to tell me that before you make me fall in love with you, go fuck your mother.
Wow. She's straight. She's straight. Do you agree with her or what? Yeah? You hear what she said?
Virgin in a ride. I'm in a business who want burn me out in a ride. I mean, no one me alone feel so. Me no one me alone feel so about issue I go on. You fix up, man.
Wow.
Fix up, man.
See it.
The man them a lolly out there say, what Jamaica go come to? And we everybody are feel we are everybody idol. Let's see Jamaican we are everybody idol. You.
True.
America everywhere. We are Jamaica are everybody idol. We don't feel like say money not there. Money there. We not supposed to suffer so. But them a use the money the wrong set of thing them use. Wrong set of thing them a use the money them do you.
You think I need you? It's like, I don't think so. I think you need me. And if you don't want me around anymore, we'll see who needs who.
But I'm also 36.
Yuck. No, I'm kidding. Do you want kids?
Yeah!
Oh, jeez. I think those eggs are scrambled.
Trey, I'm 32, and I'm a drug dealer.
What?
Damn! Oh! Yo, how many y'all in there?
Two. Like,
Me tell you man mad me. That me I tell you.
Alright, see her again now.
Anyhow, me never have self-value and self-worth for myself. Anything where them are going with in the world, anything where them are going with, and everything, it don't mad me. I can me know say what? Me nice. The tree not growing on me
A tree not growing her face. That means said, you know, she looking good.
Me no look bad.
Right?
Me can't help myself. Me can't mind myself. Me not depend on man for money.
Okay.
If most me do, if me can't find me ask, if me there, you supposed to have willing to give me.
Don't make her trick up your brain right there, you know, brother. So she says she don't ask man for money, but she will if she has to. And if she has to ask, then she has a problem with it. Well on. Let's see that part again. Girlfriend, let's trick up your mouth, by the way. Listen.
Oh! Yo, how many y'all in there?
Me tell you man mad me. That me I tell you. Anyhow, me never have self-value and self-worth for myself. Anything where them are going with in the world, anything where them are going with, and everything, it don't mad me. I can me know say what? Me nice. The tree not growing on me face.
Right.
Me no look bad. Me can't help myself. Me can't mind myself. Me not depend on man for money. If most me do, if me can't find me ask, if me there, you supposed to have willing to give me. I mean, if you ask for money, if me there, see me have to go ask you, me left you, so me see it. That's why me always love self first. But why me feel away? I know sad, I just, how me feel? Put your trust in this one somebody, and when you feel like you have your back, you know, have your back a bumbo clot, youth. I saw me feel I never expect it. No, I expect it.
What's your favorite destination for a load?
a what?
A load.
Oh. Down the hatch. Chest.
Perfect. I'm here, doctor. Alright, watch your pipes, you. You see that, sir? A Jamaica with it, right, doctor? You understand? And we are flying, go over America, right, doctor, right? And we left America, gone over Europe, yes, sir. And then we left Europe, past China, and go Africa, right, doctor, right? That's it.
You have to show me all of that for.
Come here and try to show yourself. Oh, me and try to send you up on your mother.
Oh, what have I done?
Your mother you're done. I think next time you go fire in your blood, because I'm going to tell you now.
So I stand up there, wait upon a taxi.